Un poquitillo nada más. Okay. How you feel so far?
It don't feel real, man.
It's not real.
It's real. It don't feel real. Right?
Why?
That's a good question. I don't know, I'm just like excited to like finally use it and just to have an easier life, honestly.
Easier life.
Yeah,
that's
just
the word.
easier to detail, just easier to do everything. So,
Got you.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm very happy you're like strapping down everything.
¿Se aprieta o ahí se queda?
Everything is
Ahí está.
Está bien.
everything is not going nowhere. Like literally. So
Got you.
quality stuff, man. Top notch. 5 stars.
All right, buddy.
I give you a review, but I'm gonna make another account and give you another review.
Oh, that sounds good, man. Awesome.
Yes, sir.
So let's take a look on how it looks so far. So as you guys saw, Brian is excited. This is how it looks. We're gonna start setting up the diamond plated doors over here and stuff like that. So I just take over his channel over here. So I don't even know why, but I'm on his channel now. Subscribe to Mendez Mobile Detailing, guys. Please. Thank you, guys. And also subscribe to my channel, Raldas Details. Alright, guys. Looking good. We're gonna continue. We're gonna push it in. We're gonna show you guys the end results. This thing is looking great. Let's go. Alright, guys, so what happens over here is the vinyl, it gets stuck on the platform. So now we are removing it in order to pretty much, so this thing is gonna slide all the way in. It's raining. What is that?
This thing is good. Don't show that, Tony. Gonna send you this.
Okay, guys. He's telling me that don't show that right there, so I'm not gonna show it. Okay.
Go show that.
What happened right there? Looks like somebody was trying to do some work on it.
Yeah, try to cover up some stuff in there.
We gotta remove that as well in order to get it in.
Pero eso yo creo que se puede salir like.
Are you sure?
Yeah, like.
But you want me to pull it out?
Yeah.
Alright, let's pull it out.
Mucho peso. O si no, just lift it up. Si pueden los dos levantarlo. Por un segundo para yo poder jalarlo.
Okay. Levantate ahí si puedes. 1, 2, 3. We did it.
There we go.
Alright, guys, so we get rid of that.
This thing looks dirty, man.
Let's clean it up. Let's do some APC it.
Sure it's worth it?
Like if we are detailers. Yeah, it's worth it, man.
Nobody gonna see it, man.
Come on, man. Just clean it up. Oh my goodness, Mendez is kind of lazy. He's feeling lazy today. He don't even want to clean up his own vehicle. Come on. Here is the stuff for another setup that we're gonna be doing tomorrow. I got 2 of them to do. We paint them today. They are right there. I got to do that one there. Mine over there is done as well. I have to do that Chevy as well. And the ProMaster waiting for pickup.
Wow.
It's in. It's looking good. Look at that. All right. That's amazing.
That's good right there.
Very nice.
Oh my God.
I really like those little totes right there for dirty towels and general towels over here. Amazing. High-end towels over here. Paint, glass, and drying towels. Yeah, we're still gonna set up the stuff over here, like bottle holders and stuff like that. Brush holders. Yeah, this thing is looking great. I'm jealous now. I'm jealous.
I'm jealous of myself. It looks so good.
By the way,
man.
this one here is just gonna be like a twin of my setup. The only difference is mine, this right here, this area is painted. So we're gonna put them side by side so you guys gonna see how they're gonna look. That's gonna look nice. So let's keep going. Let's finish this thing. We will show you guys the end results. Anything you want to say?
Man, it looks so good, you guys. I swear. Like, you gotta see it in person, of course, but I promise you, it looks as good as it looks in video, 10 times better in person, man. I'm so happy, man. I just can't stop smiling.
Awesome.
Let's go. All right, you guys. So I've loaded the van up about 70 to 80% right now. So everything mostly is in here. So we have the gun connected. We have the foam cannon right there. We have the vortex cleaning gun right there. And then I went ahead and just filled this up. I'm gonna go ahead and organize this and label it, so that way we know what is what and stuff like that. So it's just random stuff for now. Just giving y'all a quick tour. I'll be sure to make a separate video of a full van tour and stuff like that. But for now, this is what it's looking like. Got brushes right there. Toolbox, dirty towels, clean towels. Batteries are chilling right here for now until we get the chargers. And then we have a bag there. So some spray bottles are like chilling right there for now. And then we have these up there as well. It's looking very nice. I can't believe I'm super happy with it. Now we're going around this way. And I have my little cart tool that I use for the wheels and stuff like that most of the time. That's what I use. We have the bucket for the wheels, and then we have the bucket for washing right underneath. And then, of course, we have the gallon holders and stuff like that right there. Again, this is not official. It's just trying to put everything in here so I can be able to leave and take everything home. So we have the polishing pads here, polishers. Perfect, man. I love this right there. Everything has its own place, so you can't miss it. You know, you can't be like, hey, where does this go? It goes right there. And then we have the pressure washer, of course, compressor, and a vacuum right beside it. Everything here. So yeah, I'm super happy. And then let me take you around to the generator side, which is not much to see because it's pretty simple over here. So we have the generator. This slides out, of course. And then we have the steamer up here. And then we're going to also include our Bissell spot cleaner here once we get the new one that's going to be arriving here shortly. So just a quick tour showing you guys what's going on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and also check out Tony from Raldas Details because he's the king of builds, man. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to go anywhere else. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.